Welcome to the geography related current affairs which is happening in India, in Maharashtra, as well as anywhere in the world. Today we are going to discuss or we are going to touch one topic which is very much in the news and which has the highest probability to be appeared in the examination of UPSC as well as MPSC or any other state examination. That topic you must have heard in the newspaper from the last 2 days. That topic is related to the earthquake which has happened in one of the famous continent, that is South America, and one of the famous country from 2026, that is Venezuela. Venezuela had received a doublet earthquake. Doublet stands for two earthquakes within a short span of time. The first earthquake of Venezuela was of 7.2 Richter. Richter is a scale to measure earthquake. And the second earthquake in Venezuela after certain or short span of time is 7.4 to 5 Richter scale. When we talk about the Richter scale, Richter represents the measurement scale for earthquake. The earthquake topic from this discussion becomes very much important when it comes to the UPSC examination, be it prelims, be it mains or personality test. And specifically those students who have taken geography as one of the important paper or optional in their preparation. Earthquake represents the two words, earth and quake. Quake represents the shaking of whom? The earth. The shaking of earth in simple terms is known as earthquake. The earthquake in technical language, it is known as the release of energy which is concentrated to the interior of the earth, and that release of energy moves towards the surface of the earth in the form of waves. In earthquake, or in fact in seismic studies, we study different types of waves. Those waves includes body waves and surface waves. In body waves, we have different types of waves known as P waves and S waves. These waves, the understanding of waves is very much important for two things. First, it tells us what has happened and why the earthquake has came and what is the intensity of that earthquake. And second most important thing that waves will tell you is the interior structure of the earth. I have here one diagram which shows you the two important terminologies which are there in the newspaper when it comes to the Venezuelan earthquake. The first terminology is related to the hypocenter, and the second terminology is related to the epicenter. The hypocenter and epicenter, the word itself tells you the meaning. Epi means the outermost layer and hypo means the layer which is present beneath the surface of the earth. The center through which the energy of the earthquake releases, which is present to the interior of the earth, is known as hypocenter, and sometimes it is known as the focus. On the other hand, the shortest possible distance from the hypocenter to the surface of the earth and the point which is present on the surface of the earth, which is very much closer to the hypocenter, is referred as the epicenter, where you will actually see the repercussions or negative consequences of earthquake. To know much details of earthquake and earthquake related consequences, follow this series. Thank you.